Hi, I'm Dr. Anita Krishnan. I'm an ENT specialist with a special interest in sinus-related disorders. I practice in Bangalore ENT Care Center, Koramangala, Bangalore. So what are hiccups? Hiccups are nothing but involuntary contractions of the diaphragm. Now what is the diaphragm? The diaphragm is a membrane which separates the thorax from the abdomen. Okay, so the diaphragm basically contains involuntary muscles. Now what are involuntary muscles? Involuntary muscles are muscles which are not under our control. It's controlled by a nerve called vagus, which originates from the brain and travels all the way down to the diaphragm. So anything which irritates the vagus, maybe in the brain, maybe in the foot pipe, or maybe in the stomach, or irritates the diaphragm can cause hiccups. If the hiccups persist for more than 3 hours continuously, it is dangerous. You need to go and meet a doctor. If the hiccups comes and goes persistently every 2-3 hours and continues for 2 to 3 days, then it is dangerous. You need to go and meet a doctor. If the hiccups is interfering with keeping anything down that you've eaten, like it's causing reflux and you're continuously vomiting because of the hiccups, then also it is an emergency where you need to go and meet a doctor.